Welcome folks. Today we're going to be covering Automai Intelligent Session Recording Nanobot for Citrix Session Recording. Nanobot provides automated pause and resume recording, plug-and-play management, so allowing you to easily create and update those scripts for pause and resume, ensuring sensitive data security and compliance by hiding those sensitive fields in those recordings and blocking them out, and increased operational efficiency, allowing you to scale up those QA and forensics teams because they don't have to worry about those sensitive data fields. So what we're showing here is launching a 2019 server VDA. So you can see Citrix Session Recording is running. We're going to open up the Open EMR and log in as a clinician. And the idea here is to perform the normal daily workflow so you can see what typically would happen. So they're going to go in and maybe check some messages, look at the last record, and then go ahead and look at patients. You can see some patients here. We're going to go ahead and add a new patient. As you can see, there's a sensitive field there for social security number. That is something we do not want in the recording. Up until today, by Citrix, there was only a way to stop and start the recording, which created multiple recordings. With 2012 release, there's now a pause and resume. So you can see here we see the sensitive data in the recording, which is very bad and against compliance. So let's go ahead and show you the same workflow with the Automai Intelligent Session Recording Bot running. So we're going to open up as a clinician the Open EMR app, log in as that clinician, and while this is happening, the bot is running at startup in the individual user session, continuously looking for those sensitive data fields that you predetermined, using the image recognition, OCR, and various other capabilities to detect those fields. So in this case, it sees the social security field, and it's already issued a pause for the recording. So if we go ahead and look at that in the session recording, you can see it content blocked. Social security number field detected will resume when the field is no longer showing. So it's completely blocked out from the QA or administrator that's looking at that recording. Pretty awesome. So if we click off that field, you can see that it will resume recording because it no longer sees that image on the screen. So that enables the user to continue their workflow and operate like they normally would, not have to worry about pausing and resuming their own session. It's completely automated in the background without the user having to worry about it. That's that plug and play aspect that we talked about earlier. Text that you see there, that can be passed as a variable, so you can actually say whatever you want. Maybe it's a social security number, like we see here, or it could be a credit card field, and those data points are actually saved in the recording under the events bookmark that you can see here. That can later be queried via search, and down the road possibly maybe something like performance analytics would pick that data up. Security analytics for search and compliance. So thank you. I appreciate you guys watching, and check it out. Really excited about this technology.